Okay friends, so today I'm going to share with you my eggless puff pastry which has no butter in it either. So here I have 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour or maida. We're going to use just a pinch of salt, 2 tablespoons of clarified butter and 1/4 cup of water. Now I'm just going to empty the flour onto my work surface and I'm going to add a pinch of salt, and then I'm going to add the clarified butter or the ghee into the flour, and then with my fingertips I'm just going to let all of the ghee get really into the maida till it starts to resemble breadcrumbs. So this should take you about 3 whole minutes, but do this process. It's very important to get that lovely light puff pastry. And now you can see that all of the ghee has got into the maida. Now you're just going to add a little water at a time, and you're going to knead this into a nice firm yet elastic dough. So it shouldn't be a soggy dough, it shouldn't be a very dry dough. It should be a real soft dough and very, very elastic. So take your time with it and keep kneading it really, really well till it becomes really nice and soft. And then you're just going to set it aside and let it rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now in the meantime, we're going to prepare a mixture of 1/2 cup of corn flour and 1/4 cup of clarified butter or ghee. And you're going to mix this really well using a whisk or a fork till it becomes very light and creamy. So this took me about 5 minutes, but this is also very important. And now I'm going to dust my work surface with some flour, and I'm going to roll out the dough, and I'm going to cut it up into exactly 6 pieces. 6 portions, and we're going to really knead this well till it forms nice smooth balls. So this is an eggless recipe. It has no butter at all, so it just has clarified butter. So once the balls are ready, again you're going to dust a little bit of flour on your work surface, and you're going to roll out each of these 6 balls into very thin sheets like this, or rotis. And since it's very elastic, it's very easy to work with. It has a different consistency, so roll all of these 6 sheets and just keep them aside. Now I'm going to put a little bit of that corn flour and ghee mixture that we prepared. Rub it all over the sheet really, really well to all of the corners. And then you're going to place one of the other sheet on top of it and just bring it to the same shape. Now you can roll all your sheets out, or like I am doing, I'm rolling one at a time, and because of the space. And then again I'm going to add a little more of that corn flour and ghee mixture, spread it out, and then take those 2 sheets, place it on top, and then again roll it till they all come together. So in this way we're going to repeat the process till we are done with all of the 6 sheets. So now we're done with all of the 6 sheets. So now just put the remaining paste on top of this, on top of the topmost sheet, and then just fold it up like this. And then you're just going to roll it out as flat as possible. That way all the sheets have come together. And then you're just going to roll it out into a big sheet like this as much as you can. And it's so elastic. Once you make this, you'll realize how easy this is to work with. And then just fold it in this manner. And your puff pastry is ready. You can put it into a nice plastic foil or cling wrap and keep it in your refrigerator and use it whenever you want to. I'll list all the recipes that I've used my puff pastry for in the description box below. So I hope you enjoyed this short and sweet recipe. I'll come up with some more recipes this week. So keep tuned to Akshita's recipes. If you haven't subscribed, then hit the subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell once you've subscribed and click all. That way, whenever I put up a recipe, you'll get a message for the same. Do visit my channel. I'll leave a link to my channel below. I have more than 800 recipes. So you can go to my homepage and check out the playlists, which I've segregated all the recipes into different criterias. And thank you so much for being here and watching this video. I'll catch you soon in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye.